Lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope fine. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on your time and whenever you come across this video. So in today, I'm going to show you how I made this hairstyle for my daughter, and I'll walk you through on how you can also style this hairstyle for your child. This hairstyle is just so easy and it's good for any occasion, birthday party, to play in the park, to go to school, kindergarten, anywhere. Like, this is just to go. This is the hairstyle you can easily just style in the morning when you are rushing to go to your work and you want to style hairstyle for your daughter. This is a hairstyle a must try mom should do. All right, are you ready? Come on, let me walk you through on how you can style this hairstyle, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and thank you so much. Come, let's get started. As usual, always remember to moisturize the hair, spray the hair, comb it, make sure you detangle the hair very well, like there is nothing in the hair. So what I showed just now is just the hair extension braid I'm going to be using, and this is how I section the first part. Then after I do it straight, before I started doing that zigzag part. The reason why I am showing it this way, because there's this zigzag part I did before. Someone said she couldn't get it, so that's why I decided to also try it this way. I believe this way will be easier. So you see, after I sectioned it straight, I started bending my hand like I'm taking from here, taking from here. Don't worry if the first part is not smooth, just be doing it. When you are done, when you get the cutting already, then you cannot smoothen it just the way I'm doing it now. You see what I did? I did it first straight, then before I started, I applied my hair gel, then before I started smoothing the part. So don't worry about the part first time when you are doing it. Just keep doing, just keep bending your hand, take it from this side and from the other side. So this side I'm doing right now, I straighten, like I just make this side straight. I don't want everything to just be that zigzag. But if you want to do it also zigzag, just the same way, do it straight first, then you can be take it from here, take it from here, just the way I do that other side. Is so easy as that. So I sectioned this hair into 3 parts. What I did, this back is just on its own, and the other side, one side is higher than the other side. So if you want yours to be equal, what you need to do is just part the hair center before you start taking from here, before you start making it zigzag. So this side I'm doing now, the side I'm holding right now, is lower than the other side, and I also going to be taking from that side to weave just the way what I'm doing now, you know. So that is among the reason why I make that other side bigger than the other side. So this one I'm doing now, I'm going to just only this one, I'm going to curl it down. I will add a little hair extension to it. Then, but what I normally do, I start with her natural hair. I recommend whenever you are starting a hair, start first with the natural hair. This way the hair will not be damaged from the root, because sometimes when you start hair with braid, with a extension braid, sometimes the hair will pull along with the braid you had to it. So whenever you want to start hair, always make sure you start with natural hair, except the person don't have hair at all. And when you are adding hair to it, make sure the hair you are adding to it is tinier than the hair, the natural hair, because if the hair is too big for the hair you are making, it might also damage the hair. Okay, there are some hair texture is very hard to get pulled off. There are some hair they easily get pulled off, so you should always take note whenever you are making hair, the kind of hair you are making. If it's the hair that some hair they don't pull, they just break, while some they pull. All right, so this is just only the cornrow I will be doing on the front here. So this place is optional. she always like sometimes she likes something to just fall on the front and to give it a style. So that is why I just make that straight one, this front here. And this one right now, I'm going to just pack it just like the other side. So when you do the zigzag already, to pack it is just so easy. And when you are doing it, so this way now, you see, if you don't want to add any other thing, you can just, that's why I comb it first for you to see. If you don't want to add any other thing, you can just comb her natural hair. If the hair is long, just leave it like that. It's also a style. So what I'm going to be doing, each hair that I pack, I'm going to be weaving it two, like what I'm doing now, one. When I finish this one now, this packing now give me two, and the other one two, and the other one, everything together, I'll be making them 6 strands of hair, everything together. So, and I'm not going to be adding to the weaving I am doing. So the way I started, that's how I'm going to end it. I didn't add anything to the hair, just like so. So, and some people, they cannot hold hair from the beginning. Some can hold hair, but what I did right now, if you know you cannot use your hand to shed the hair along with your extension braid while doing it, what you need to do, you have to shed the hair first. For me, see the way I did it now, I didn't shed the hair first, but some people, they want to share it first. So whichever way that is good for you, do it. Okay. So, and if this is the first time I'm coming across my video, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Susan, and I'm a mom of 4 girls living in Germany. So, and I hope to see you more often in our channel. And thank you for joining the family. So please don't fail to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all. So you see, this is how easy the hair is. So after I finish weaving it, you see, I tied it. I didn't finish it to the tip. So because if you don't finish hair, when you wrap it, it will stay long and it should not be what's it called, it should not be that tight. But when you weave it to the tip and you are rolling it, yeah, it will end up tightening her. So that is the reason for this. And another thing is, please don't sew the hair. So some people who want to, after the roll it, they will just put thread in their needle and sew it. Please don't do it, because you know, the hair is kind of big. She might not be able to lay well with it. So that in the evening, if she cannot lay well, if she cannot use it to sleep well, you can just remove it, and the next day you wrap it back. So that is just it. So please, when you are making this hair for your child, don't sew the hair. Roll it like this. Use rubber band to hold it, and make sure you don't weave it to the tip. Use the tip to secure the hair later. It will not go off. Even if she's playing or whatsoever, it will not go off. Like my kids, they go to school and she used cap to cover her head because this is winter. She cover her hair with cap, and the hair doesn't go off. She go to school and come back, it doesn't go off. So when she wants to sleep, I just remove. When she say, okay, mommy, I want it loose, I just remove it. So please don't sew this hair. All right. So, and this also this thing, this is the bead I'm going to be using. The bead you want to use is optional. So this is the color of the bead or the type of bead I am using. So the one you use is optional. So what I did after I fixed this bead, I use rubber band I use the remaining part, the tip, to roll the hair a little just to secure it. Then before I use rubber band to hold it. So just like so. Then I'll cut out the remaining part. Then roll it. I just roll it inside the other bead so that everything will be covered. You see, it's all covered. That is it. It's so simple. So also this pin, which is the other side, if you want to just fix some pin on it, or you want to put packer to make it more stylish, is also optional. Okay, this is how simple. I just want to let it be. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed, and I hope you like this video. Tell me what you think in the comment section, please. All right, bye for now.